How's it guys? Welcome back to the video. Hope you liked what you see in the previous videos. So in today's video we'll be working again on our KJ Jeep, and I've got a good friend of mine here from far away. He's been visiting and will be helping out in this video. So in today's video we will be cleaning the interior bits I took out in the previous video, also cleaning the carpet, which I wanted to send away and clean, but that didn't work out. So we're going to be attempting to clean this ourselves. So stay tuned and enjoy this video. So all these parts will be cleaned. It's all the interior bits, and then the big carpet will also try and attempt to clean this out. As you guys seen in the previous video, it was quite disgusting, and we've got some minor damage on the carpet here. Not to worry about that. And basically just cleaning all these parts out. Check this out, guys. Check on how this carpet is cleaning up. Still have to knock out this side. I just wanted to show you the difference that just that one pass of cleaning did. So you'll see between me and my friend taking turns to clean this carpet, because my wife quickly had to run out to do errands. We're babysitting Mila here, and so yeah, we've only got this side left to do, but I'm really happy how this all turned out. I think this is turning out magnificent. Obviously this carpet is more than 20 years old apparently, so little rust marks here and there that we can't take out, but hey, it's almost good as new, dude. It's almost good as new. So let's knock out this side, and then we'll leave this out to dry for a few days before we put it back into the gym. Guys, check out how nice these plastics came out. They actually came out much better than I thought it would. It's not brand new, but it looks pretty damn good, and I'm glad I don't have to buy new ones. And check out how nice the inside of this Jeep came out. It looks brand new on the inside. Really happy with this result. So guys, I noticed this little box here. It's on with double-sided tape, and this wire leads into these wires. What do you guys think this little box is? Do you think this is a tracker system? Comment down below what you think it is. Can I take it out? Or how can I take it out? Maybe some of you guys are experts in this, but I've got no idea if I have to just cut the wires or should I follow these wires and unspline them, because I don't want the tracker system in this car draining the battery unnecessarily. But check out this interior, guys. Yes, it really came out so good. Okay guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Thank you all for watching, and if you do like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and the like button and share this video with your family and your friends. Thanks to my buddy here for helping me out today with this video. I really appreciate it. In the next video we will be revealing the engine that will be going into this Jeep, so look out for that video and stay safe. Cheers.